This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nelson Mateus. Welcome to this delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa in the gated section of the highly sought-after Panther Trace community. From the moment you walk in, you'll love the open and airy floor plan, with tile flooring in the living and dining area that flows into a spacious, extended screened and lanai. It's the perfect spot for hosting friends or just relaxing with a good book. The bedrooms are cozy and practical, all featuring laminate flooring. No carpet means no dust bunnies. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with granite countertops, a breakfast bar, and all the appliances you need, including a refrigerator, glass top oven, built-in microwave, and dishwasher. The large pantry offers plenty of room to keep everything organized and within reach. The master suite is a true escape, with direct access to the lanai, a beautiful tray ceiling, and 2 closets, one of them a roomy walk-in. The fully remodeled master bathroom feels like your very own luxury spa, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Other standout features include a newer roof, less than 2 years old, a water softener system, and a 2-car garage for parking and extra storage. As a resident of this gated section, you'll enjoy access to a private pool, plus all the amazing amenities Panther Trace has to offer: clubhouse, community pool, tennis and pickleball courts, soccer fields, and basketball courts. And the location? It doesn't get better. Shops, restaurants, and major highways are all just minutes away. Don't wait, schedule your private tour today and see why this villa feels like home. All room measurements to be verified by the buyer. For more information, review the details.